Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got myself some boots. Let's check these out here and show you what we got. It's these. These are going to be some heavy duty outdoorsy boots. And I got size, I don't even know. See on there, US 8, size 8. That's what I wear. So let's see, is there anything in there? Nope. So these are some really hard toe boots. And they look nice, and SK, they look like they're made out of some kind of rubbery leather stuff on it, so that's nice. Let's see, what does it say on here? It says Crazy Horse Chukka boots. Crazy Horse Chukka boots, size 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and give these things a try. I'll aim you guys down. You're gonna be seeing me try them on. Sans socks, because I don't know where my socks are. Our house is kind of under construction and I've just been wearing flip-flops. Sorry about my painted toes. That's what happens when you have kids. Okay. So, this fits good. Totally. I have extra space because I don't have socks on now. But this is it here. These are comfortable boot. Very good. Lots of space in the toe area, which is good. So if you're one of those people with a wide toe area, this will probably fit good for you as well. And it's got good padding on the bottom of it. I feel it good. It feels nice. Like there's a nice insole in it, so that's good. I would probably go through the next loop just so the strings aren't quite so long, but you get the idea. But this is it here. Feels really good. It's got nice, good cushioning inside. Feels good. Feels good on my heel, so I'm not gonna be getting blisters or anything. These are good. Got a little bit of flex and that. I can take them to the work site, take them to anywhere and still be comfortable. It's got a nice padding around here as well. Here, I'll take one of these off and show you guys what we're talking about inside here. Okay. So in here, you can see there's a good padding. It looks like it's connected around, so it is a full circle of stuff. And then here is there. See, it's nice and thick, so that's good. And it's got a good there, and it's got some flex to it. But it's got the steel toe, so that is good. Nice strong laces, and the tongue won't get sucked in too much because it's got that sewn on there. And it's a good looking boot. So it's waterproof. It's always good as well. So if you need some good sturdy boots, so that's what I have here for as the winter time starts coming. And you got this little pull tab here so you can pull it on a little easier than maybe I did, although mine wasn't the problem at all. But these are great. So as the winter approaches and I'm gonna be doing some outdoor work and things, this will totally come in handy. So totally awesome. These are great, super comfortable. I mean, this one here that's still on, super comfortable and good. I like it. I'll probably just wear them all day. If you can see, this is me without a boot, without the boot on, and then that's me with it. So it gives me an extra inch or two too. Makes me nice and tall. That's kind of cool. I like that. These are awesome. So totally great. Thumbs up for sure.